welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ishika, and if you're here for the very first time, welcome to my channel. I make vlogs related to cooking, I share recipes, I always try to put easy, quick going recipes for you guys, and I've also done few food challenges. 2 food challenges only I've done yet. So yeah, and whatever goes throughout the day I try to share with you guys through my vlogs. So yeah, you can check my previous videos, and if you have really liked it, do not forget to hit on that like button, share with your friends, family and loved ones, and before leaving guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So आज मैं लाई हूँ छोटू सा haul video. Actually I bought few stuffs from different sites like Myntra, Nykaa, Flipkart. एक्चुअली अगरतला में प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाता है. सो एक दिन में एक सामान आया था मेरे पास. फाइनली आई हैव गैदर्ड ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स टुगेदर, इसीलिए थोड़ा बहुत टाइम लग गया था मुझे ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए. मैं बहुत सारे वीडियोस में ऑलरेडी बोल चुकी हूँ कि नेक्स्ट हॉल वीडियो आएगा. हॉल वीडियो आई विल लिंक डाउन all the products in my description box, ताकि आप लोग अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो you can also grab from there अगर available होगा sites पे तो. And yeah, now I will quickly start showing you guys. Firstly I will start from the winter wear. I don't know when I'm going to post this video actually. So firstly I will start with my favorite purchase from the entire purchase, and I got this semi-long jacket from Myntra, and this is from the brand Raspberry, and I've got the size S. It fits so perfect, and this is a very pretty velvety navy blue color. The texture is so pretty. I don't know the camera and the lighting is doing proper justice or not to the color. I've changed twice the setup, but I really couldn't get the exact color which it is in originally. So I will try to put a picture that I have seen in Myntra, and this has costed me around something between 2,500 to 3,000. I don't know the exact price that is going on the site right now. The actual price was something around 5,000. So this is super duper hit for me because I liked the color, the look, the fitting. Moving to the second purchase of this haul video, I got this another very trendy and casual looking jacket from the same brand Raspberry. They have amazing winter wear collections. I will buy some more. This is very trendy and very casual, and it has also this full length zip going throughout, and this is even very warm, I will say. The quality wise it is also very nice, and it has costed me around 2,000. I guess 1,800 it was. Next I have this very trendy going crop top in a black color, and this is from the brand Cartland London, and this is also I've purchased from Myntra. It has costed me around 1,200, and it has this nice little bit of volume in the sleeves, and the neck is also very trendy. Let me show you guys this outfit. This was my birthday outfit actually. I got this for my birthday, and this is from the brand Fabily, which is my favorite brand, and this is also in my favorite color. This is a very gorgeous deep white color which I absolutely love, and as you can see it has 2 layers of flare, and the material is lace, I will say, and this is semi sheer, but quite a little bit sheer from the chest portion and also from the back portion, and it has this little bit of zip. The length is up to knee. For me it came up just a little bit above the knee, and this has costed me something around 2,600. I don't know the current price going for this particular dress on the site. I got it from Myntra. I will link it down if it is available in the site. Guys, so sorry for changing the background several times because for the lighting purpose I really want to show you guys the exact color of the dresses. So yeah, constantly I'm changing the background. Please bear with that for now. So yeah, next move to the next purchase, and a beautiful grey color which has this silver glittery detailing going throughout the dress in stripe pattern, as you can see, and the neck is in V. It was a very nice purchase, I will say. The length of the dress is also very nice, very sober, and it also has a zip in the backward portion. Really, I never thought I will get such nice dress from Flipkart. It was not available in Myntra. When I saw it in Flipkart, I tried to find it in Myntra, but I couldn't. But I saw this somehow popped up in my Facebook feed, so I clicked it in. It was something around 1,000 to 1,200. Yes. So yeah, this was a very nice purchase, but I got the size wrong. I got it in M. This is super duper loose for me. I have to fit it. I have to alter it so that I can fit well in it. But overall, it was very nice purchase. Next is this long top from again from Myntra. Only I have bought it, and this is from the brand Plus S collection, and I've got the size S, and it fits me so well. This is little bit long kind of top, I will say. This is quite gorgeous and the color is very pretty. This is a dark lavender color. It has this volume sleeves and the neck portion, and this portion is very pretty, I will say. The neck is quite deep from the front portion as well as from the back portion. I will try to show you guys how I look in this particular top. This has costed me somewhat around 1000 to 1200. The quality is even very nice. This is the last one from clothing section, and this is from Benetton UCB, and I really love the cute detailings it has. These are candies and the UCB wala logo it has, and the neck is very trendy, and yeah, it has cute little flary sleeves, short sleeves, I will say it has. And I took the size small only for this. Pair it with some nice jeans, white jeans, black jeans, denim. I think everything will go nice with this. This is a t-shirt. This is t-shirt or top. I think this is t-shirt. I will say this is a t-shirt. And this costed me around 2300, that is 2300. Bought a few more stuffs from Myntra and all, but those really didn't fit well or didn't look that good to me, so I've returned those, and I've ordered a few more stuffs which are yet to come. I will show you in other vlogs. So guys, for makeup and stuff like that, I have actually refilled the things that I badly needed to. So here I have my foundation which I was running out of, and this is from Maybelline New York, and this is their Fit Me range, and I am in the shade 320 natural tan, and I couldn't find it in Nykaa nor in Myntra, the particular shade that I use, so I bought it from Flipkart. And the thing that has happened is, now this particular foundation has also started to come up with pump, and this really didn't came with a pump. I don't know why, but I had to keep it because I was running out of it, and these are non-returnable products, and this costed me around 450 to 500. Next, I got this cute beauty blender from Nykaa. I saw a nice review in their app only. So this is from the brand HP Bronson Professional, and this costed something around 250. I actually do not use that much of beauty blenders, so I have another one which I don't have here, so I just thought of keeping this. I just saw it, I don't know why. So yeah, this one. This is quite spongy and it works well. एक बार खोल के मैं दिखाई देती हूँ आप लोगों को. Next, I have this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution. I always love their eyeshadow palettes, and this is their cinnamon chocolate range, and this comes up with 18 shades, and all of the shades are in warm tone, and the shades I usually wear, I love, and all the shades are matte actually, which I actually wanted, which I was looking for, and I got this from Myntra in a very nice deal. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and let me open and show you guys. Ta-da! The colors are so pretty and so pigmented. Yes. Firstly, I was searching for this particular palette in Nykaa, but that time it was out of stock there. But so I will quickly show you guys the particular colors those I love. These are so pigmented. I'm trying Chili Pepper. I'll show you guys at once. Paprika. The reason behind I bought this palette is because I love spices. I love and this particular palette smells like cinnamon. It smells like spices, and it smells so good, just like cinnamon rolls. So I've shown you guys how the colors are. These are so pigmented and they stays really for a long time. So yeah, this was a hit purchase for me, and it costed me something around 1800, 1800. And next here I have the hair serum that I usually use, and I was also running out of it, so I thought of refilling it. And this is from L'Oreal Paris, their Smooth Intense Serum, which basically has arganol in it. I will simply say this. 100 ml product, and this retails for 250 rupees, and I got this for 200 rupees from Nykaa. And this is really good. I've been using this for 1 or 2 years now. It helps to give me a nice smooth texture. This smells really good. Don't judge this here now because I'm in a bad mess. I just thought of filming this video today क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिन से आज करूँगी कल करूँगी ऐसे करके हो नहीं रहा था. So today I just thought नहीं आज तो मैं करूँगी. बाल चाहे जैसे भी हो तैसे भी हो मैनेज कर लूँगी, doesn't matter. So yeah, bear with that. Next comes in this Lakme Iconic curling mascara. This is really good. Myntra में Nykaa में कोई भी अच्छा mascara नहीं था उस moment में, and I really badly needed to refill my mascara, so I had to. Before मैंने बहुत साल पहले ये try किया था, ये काफ़ी अच्छा ही है. Otherwise I use the Maybelline का कुछ एक तो use करती हूँ. But yeah, this got one gift from Nykaa because this was my birthday month. Birthday month पे purchase करने पे मिलता है gift from Nykaa. So I got this Nykaa Go for Glow mask, and this is a pore perfect face mask which I badly need because I have big open pores in my cheeks. And I've used it once. I don't know, उस दिन मैं उतना ध्यान से देखी नहीं थी कि क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं. I will again use and I will let you know in the other vlog how it actually works. And this is made in Korea, and Korean products are always great, you know, skincare products, as we all know now. Then I have this L'Oreal Paris ka big size shampoo ka bottle, and this is their extraordinary clay purifying and hydrating shampoo, and this retails for rupees 450. This is their 704 ml ka package. इसकी छोटे-छोटे भी bottles है, and this is my fourth purchase. This is basically for those who have oily scalp and dry hairs. This gives a very cooling sensation when you apply it. And मैं जब L'Oreal salon गई थी last time, basically I do my haircuts and stuff like that from L'Oreal salon only. So they suggested me to use this. That time I guess this was newly launched. This is their clay mask range, so that time they suggested me to use this one. Before I have used their professional one, then their 6 oil and something like that. Also I have used Wow ka shampoos different. So basically those were my necessity, so obviously मुझे खरीदना था, I had to. And after that I got this cute lipstick from Maybelline, and this is the shade Touch of Spice 660. I don't remember the price exactly. I will link it down below, so आप लोग देख लेना. I think below 500. Perfect nude shade for any Indian dusky skin tone. Very creamy, and this is matte lipstick, but it won't stay much if you eat and drink something. Lastly, I have this infallible gel crayon from L'Oreal Paris. Actually, ये gift मिला है when I bought the L'Oreal का shampoo, L'Oreal का serum, और मम्मी ने भी कुछ L'Oreal का सामान मंगवाया था मम्मी ने. ये गिफ्ट आया था. दिस इज ग्रे कलर का काजल और eyeliner, whatever it is. This is so creamy, and this is what I'm wearing right now, as you can see. Quite good. I'm not a big fan of grey kajal, but still today I tried to wear it, and this is very creamy, and I'm wearing this for last 4 to 5 hours now. Actually ये वीडियो मैं थोड़ा ब्रेक लेके बना रही हूँ. I had my lunch in between also, so yeah, this is all for this haul video. Very mini haul I will say. I don't know मैं ये वीडियो कब पोस्ट करूँगी. Maybe I will wait a little bit क्योंकि और भी कुछ सामान आने वाला है. If so मैं इसी vlog में ऐड कर दूँगी वो भी. If not, I don't know when I'm going to upload this actually. जब भी करूँगी गाइस, आप लोग देख के लाइक कर दीजिएगा ये व्लॉग, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली एंड लव्ड वंस, एंड गाइस डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.